All right, guys, here we go. We have 11 labs set up on shortcuts. So now we can duplicate voices, including our own. So I'll copy my voice. Let's see how it does. And then I'll test other voices later. So I have the API calls here. I created one new shortcut for new voice where I'll input my voice or select a file. And then it'll send it over, check for any errors, and then send it over to voice preview so we can preview the voice right away and see if we want to keep it. And if we don't want to keep it, then we'll just go ahead and delete that voice. And actually, let me make sure I copy that to my clipboard in case I do want to delete it. I want to copy the results of this to clipboard. So when you combine 11 labs and Stable Diffusion or some of the other ones, you can start generating videos like this with the AI images, right? So you can see here, these are all AI images, as they're apparently so, right? So if you want to make YouTube videos or if you want to make any videos with your own voice now or somebody else's voice like Morgan Freeman or whatever, now you can just upload those audio files. So let's take a look and see how it works. Ron, the voice of Ron. Let's do Hispanic, right? If that's even an accent. All right, we're gonna do record voice. Hey, I'm just over here recording some audio samples so we can duplicate my voice. We're just gonna record some audio samples. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estamos grabando para duplicar mi voz. So, cuando puedas, por favor, escucha mi voz. Hey guys, just duplicating my voice here. Just sending some sample files so it can hear what I sound like in all different type of tones. A, E, I, O. All right, let's see what it makes. What's the text? Hello, friends. This is my duplicated voice. Let's see if it sounds like me. Hello, friends. This is my duplicated voice. What do you think? Does it sound like me? Comment below. That's pretty close. Hello, friends. This is my duplicated voice. What do you think? Does it sound like me? Comment below. That's pretty good.